Okay, today we are going to review the Grams28 154 City Pack. Just unboxing straight away. You can see the City Pack comes in a premium cloth bag, and honestly this already feels like a luxury unboxing. So let's get it opened, take a look. Okay, so Grams28 definitely knows how to package a bag. Inside the box you get this beautiful cloth wrap, super clean, very premium. Slide it open, take out the bag. There you have it. That is a beautiful full grain Italian leather premium city pack. So I think, you can really agree this is a very classy, elegant piece of leatherware. Really does scream luxury. Nice and accessible. Lots of space. Really nice magnetic pocket. Satisfying snap there. Really great. Now, let's have a look at the strap. So I've heard a few people say this. The strap is maybe letting this down a bit. You've got a nice leather shoulder strap, reasonably padded, not too much, but it's this, kind of canvas synthetic strap is maybe not great. It would have been nicer to have that all leather, perhaps. But as you can see, really nice solid buckle there. So if we bring the bag back in, clip the strap on, nice, the clips are good quality, that's for sure. You can see there how it sits. Really lovely, really nice feel, smells fantastic, looks really great. Let's maybe have a look in a bit more detail at some of the pockets and storage. So maybe if we start with the back, a pocket there, which as you can see has a decent amount of space in there, comfortably fit a passport. If we then look at the inside compartment, again folds over nicely for easy access. I think that'll loosen up a bit with use, but yeah, nice, easy to see what you have inside it. We'll load it out with a few things. Okay, so I have done an experimental loadout. Let's see what I managed to get in. So first of all, this back pocket, passport, Kindle, then the main pocket, pretty tight actually. So iPad Pro, Apple Pencil, Memo water bottle, Plod note, foldable plug, pen, nothing in the magnetic pocket, Inu power bank, and then the inside zip pocket, AirPods Pro, field notes, magnetic cable, the Taurus MagSafe battery, small dock, off tripod. So that was pretty full, pretty heavy. Let's just lay this out. So there we go. That was pretty tight, pretty packed, but that's not a bad loadout for something that is actually pretty small. So iPad Pro, Kindle, passport, water bottle, Plod Note, charger, power bank, plug, tripod, dock, AirPods Pro, magnetic cable, memo bottle, Apple Pencil, small pen, Taurus MagSafe charger and field notes. That's not bad for a day out, maybe some remote working, coffee shop working. Pretty good really. So as you can see, the Grams28 154 City Pack, it's compact, minimalist, sling designed for everyday city carry, made from premium full grain Italian leather, giving it a clean structured look. It's able to stand up on its own and it will patina beautifully over time. Inside it's built around an 11-inch iPad Pro pocket, or a pocket big enough to take an 11-inch iPad Pro, smart organisation for essentials, chargers, notebooks, sunglasses, other EDC. It's pretty lightweight for the quality of leather. It's slim, perfect for commuting, or if you're out on a city break and want to carry some stuff to do a bit of coffee shop work in or other stuff. So yeah, I think if you want a refined leather pack that's functional, understated, built for modern minimalist carry, the 154 City Pack fits that role perfectly.